Now it's time to talk about some of the buttons going along the bottom. For example, these green and red buttons are the quick buttons. Quick cash is in the event that someone's paying an exact change. And quick card is when someone is paying for the entire order with one tender, that being a credit card. Next is the hold new button. This allows for you to create a new order, but hold this one, preventing it from automatically sending to the kitchen. Speaking of sending, the next button here, send, will send the items to the kitchen printers. There are additional configurations on this, such as what happens to the screen when this button is pressed. For example, it may send us back to the employee login screen, and may send us back to the service area, or we don't leave the screen at all. Additionally, when items are sent, these items here, their words will go from green to gray. This indicates that they've been sent, as well as they can no longer be deleted, they can only be voided. We also have send and stay, so for the instance where the menu changes because I sent something, this will keep you on the screen. Next is the hold send button. This allows for you to send items later on. For example, if I want to send this burger in 10 minutes, I can select them, select 10, and hit send. This will wait then 10 minutes before it goes to the kitchen. Next is the print button. This will print all the items from the order onto a receipt. I'm going to skip the pay button for now and jump into the select button. This allows for you to edit specific items in the order. For example, if I wanted this burger to be 50% off, I can tap on the burger, creating the check mark, tap on discount, and then put down the discount percentage, and then the reason. I also can discount by a dollar amount. There you can see $3 off of this burger and 50% off of this burger. Additionally, from here, you can count specific items, change their price for the order, void them, delete them, move them, and set them as tax exempt.